This is the salad you've been missing for your Christmas dinner. Let's start our recipe by slicing 150 grams of red cabbage into thin strips. Watch the video until the end. The final dish will amaze you. In a large bowl, add 150 grams of white cabbage and the red cabbage we just sliced. These two types of cabbage together bring texture and contrast to the dish. Now, grate 2 whole carrots. The carrot adds a sweet touch and a vibrant color that will make your salad even more beautiful. Then, transfer it to the bowl. Now, chop the green onions into small pieces, ensuring their mild and fresh flavor is evenly distributed throughout the recipe. Leave your salad suggestion here. I'll gladly make a recipe to suit your taste. Then, add the green onions to the salad. For a crunchy touch and a surprising flavor, let's add an apple. Cut it into large strips, like I'm doing. The apple pairs really well with the other ingredients and adds a slightly sweet taste. And if you're watching this recipe until now, it means you're enjoying it. So rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can keep making delicious recipes like this. Next, set aside our salad. Now let's prepare the dressing that will give our salad that amazing flavor. In a bowl, add 50 milliliters of olive oil, the fresh juice of half a lemon for a citrus touch, a generous pinch of salt, a tablespoon of mustard for that bold flavor, and a tablespoon of honey for a bit of sweetness to balance the dressing. Mix everything well until the dressing is smooth. This dressing is the secret that will make the salad light and perfect for Christmas. Pour the dressing over the salad and, with a fork, mix all the ingredients well so that the dressing covers every bit of our salad. Our Christmas salad is ready to be served. It's a light, refreshing, and colorful option, perfect to accompany any dish on the holiday table. The best part about this recipe is that you just add the ingredients, mix well, and it's ready. Not to mention that the ingredients we used in this recipe can be easily found at any supermarket. Let me know if you've made this recipe and if you use any other ingredients. Share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know the tips and secrets you use to make your recipes even more special. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time.